we have the Geekria UltraShell Headphone case. I really like this thing a lot. It looks very nice. Has a handle on top to carry it around. You can open it up for your headphones, and they fit in here very well. It also comes with a bit of an accessory to put your headphone, amp, cables, batteries, anything you really want to put in here. It's really great. It is really good for, I've dropped this a few times and I had no issues with it at all. I'm not sure how much pressure to actually go. It has a little bit of a flex to it, but overall I think this thing is definitely worth it. Spend the $20 to insure your headphones a little bit, especially if you're moving around with them. But yeah, definitely recommend this. This thing is great, an accessory that you need for your headphones. The links are in the description below if you want to help support the channel. And if you like this video, it helped you out, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks, guys.